Did you know your grandmother's gold necklace is probably one of the worst performing investments in your house? Here is the thing nobody says out loud. When your family buys gold jewelry, they pay making charges of anywhere from 8 to 25% on top of the gold price. That money is gone the moment you walk out of the store. Then there is the purity question. Most jewelry is 18 or 22 karat, not pure gold. So you are paying gold prices for something that is not fully gold. And when you try to sell it, jewelers knock off another 15 to 30% for resale. Now compare that to a gold ETF. You buy at the actual market price. You sell at the actual market price. No making charges. No purity games. No haircut. The math is brutal. On 1 lakh rupees of jewelry, you can quietly lose 30 to 40,000 rupees before gold even moves a single rupee. The tradition is not the problem. The delivery mechanism is. Gold is a fine asset. Jewelry is just a very expensive way to hold it.